Hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Wow, what a gorgeous day. I think we have to remind ourselves that we have to look at the calendar, if you still have one of those, or your cell phone, and remind yourself of the date. It's still late February. This is still considered a winter month. Yes, in Michigan. We probably forget that at times with the up and down weather that we have. Now, the next 2 days will be very, very spring-like in Michigan, and I know it's February. And then the calendar turns to March, and I usually consider March the wildest month weather-wise. It can be, at least, because that's the fight between winter and spring, and it can bring some crazy weather to us. And it looks like we do have a mess coming as we get to Thursday into Friday. We're going to keep a close eye on it. I don't have all the details on it yet, but I'll start to warn you that either wet weather, or you might not want to hear this, white weather is on the way to Michigan toward the end of the week. So let's get to it, and let's start with today. Let's start with the satellite picture right now. And it is gorgeous. Look at that. That's all clear skies. There's a little patch of clouds up in the northern third of lower Michigan. This is snow on the ground, so enjoy the full sunshine and fairly light winds. And then we'll talk about the week to come. This is a computer model that's showing the surface weather pattern right now, and it's quiet, but you'll see what's going to happen as we go through it. This is tonight. Hey, good morning, Joy. And high pressure here, southwesterly wind. And by the way, these blue lines indicate somewhat temperatures. And so when you have a southwest wind blowing perpendicular to the temperature pattern, that means the warm air is coming in. And we go through tonight into tomorrow, and you can see how the southwesterly wind is developing and the warmer air continues to come in. So tomorrow will be warmer than today. And a little disturbance, maybe some light rain showers come through, some sporadic spurts of rain on Wednesday. Hey, good morning, New Buffalo, and good morning, Wisconsin. And then we'll watch Thursday, and all of our computer models that we look at, the various ones, this is the GFS, we look at the European, we look at a few others, all indicate the similar type storm system developing, and this is what we have to watch. I always watch, and I always warn you on storm centers that are rolling south of Michigan. Why? That puts us in the solid area of precipitation. Now, this would be Thursday afternoon, and don't focus on whether it's rain or snow at your place. Just focus on the fact that it's a sizable March storm system that has a lot of moisture with it. And all the models kind of want to keep this low instead of coming north with a lot of warm air shunted to the east. And it starts to develop the snow on the backside. Good morning, Salima from Ann Arbor. So this is Thursday night when that storm would get over to the east. Cold air would come in and would change it over to snow. Amy wants to know, do you think with the current weather pattern that we will have an earlier spring? Yes, I do. I'm seeing that even though we have cold air coming down at times, it's really having a tough time lasting for a long time. Now, this is Friday morning. That could be a snowy morning, and then it moves on to the east. So I want to let you know that we do have a sizable rain to maybe accumulating snow on the way. Let's look at the temperatures. This is high temperature for today, and we're talking upper 40s, but here's one other thing. Without snow on the ground, we're starting to get the dark ground. That starts to heat up. So when we get these sunny days, we might be surprised that we jump up 5 degrees warmer than what the computer models suggest. So you might see that as kind of a trend today and tomorrow, that even my forecast of about 50 degrees in southern lower might turn out to be 55. And what does that mean for tomorrow when the forecast is for 60? Okay, let's go into tomorrow. High temperatures tomorrow, mid to upper 50s, and I think this is probably 5 degrees too cool. Traverse City about 50 degrees, UP temperatures in the upper 40s, so that's warm for this time of the year. We go into Wednesday, and we're still in the 40s and 50s. And then we watch the temperatures during that storm system. And Tanya asks, possible ice storm? I doubt it because of such warm weather before it. It's probably either rain or snow. Flooded in Saginaw, will this hurt us? It's another inch to inch and a half liquid, so we'll have to watch because there could be another rise in the river levels. Now, this is Thursday, and you don't have a big snowstorm usually with temperatures around 40. You get to Friday, and high temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s. Still tough for snow to stick a long time during that. Hey, good morning, John Heiner. But it could be brief 6 to 12 hour period of heavy snow. So we'll watch that for you. So there you have it, folks. We get a spring preview today and tomorrow with sunshine. About 50 in southern lower today, about 60 tomorrow. I got to give you a check of reality. Remember, normal highs now, upper 30s to about 40 degrees. So 60 is 20 degrees warmer than normal. Then a sizable storm, a wet March storm coming for Thursday into Friday. Not all the details on that just yet. We'll keep watching it for you. If you have flooding that you've been dealing with, you do want to watch this because it could bring an inch to an inch and a half of moisture. And if you don't want to drive any snow, you should watch this too, because on the backside of these March storms, it turns colder and the rain changes to snow, and you can get some really nasty weather. So we'll keep you updated on that, but for now, enjoy your sunny Monday. You have yourself a great day.